these adhesive body warmers. Gonna use these. Oh man, I didn't think I was that cold. I gotta get in here. I'm just freezing. Yep, that's good enough. Oh, my bag is soaked. Let's see how bad it is. Jeez. Oh yeah, my bag is pretty wet. Hot water bottles in here. I'm wearing every bit of dry clothing that I have, and I've got 2 water bottles in here, and I'm snuggled up in my sleeping bag. I'm super hungry and I want to cook some dinner. But I'm just gonna sit in this bag until I feel warm. Once my body feels nice and warm, then I'll go make dinner.